Yeah. Thank you, Professor G, for the hearty. May tower na, may angry pa. Tama. Pwede rin yung angry emoji. Dami Oshi pala to. Pero okay lang, as long as you support the group, it would be fine with me din naman. And the fact na nakatambay kayo dito, I'm already happy with that, guys. Thank you so much. In live mo na nga lang, ito kami Oshi. So dapat pala araw-arawin ko. Yes, meron din Fox. Fox naman sa quad lips. Cole's Mosh Blade sound like. Mosh Blade. Mosh Blade sounds good. Kasi Coley, di ba? Ayan, oh. Ano, ito. So dapat araw-araw akong mag-live. Sige, noted. Anong weird? Thank you, this is Kevin for the heartbeat. Hello. Hello, guys. Guys, pa-shout out daw. Excuse me. Thank you, Stormwolf, for the Go Popular. Ano yun na name ko dito? Is that a yes? Coley's Mosh Blade. Pwede rin naman. Bakit di nagdo-notif yung live mo ko? Hindi ko din on lang po. Wash out. Guys, shout out daw siya. Hanap tayo ng naka-live. Sino ba naka-live tonight? Hello. Kamusta? May butsipon ka po, yes, a little bit. Cole, anong call? Ano pwede sa akin? Chabu. Tama na yung Chabu, may ano na eh. May behind the ano na siya. Behind the meaning. Diba? Ayun, nagpalit na naman si ano. Wait lang, guys. Wait. Give me 1 second. Okay. I'm back. Lumipat lang ako saglit. There you go. Who's late? Ano sasalo? Paano sasalo? Thank you, Gamerzone. Hindi ko na... Nasalo ko ba? Thank you, Gamerzone, for the Charmer Boy. Hindi ko napansin. Thank you. Nasalo. Kaya nga nasalo. Thank you. Mazetala nani iro naru kana. Orange, stop. Anong magandang song cover na Japanese song? Dapat marami. Oh no, I forgot to learn Tagalog again. Oh, we can speak English. No problem. We can speak English. Anong pangalan? No need, thank you. I want to do something, kaya lang mukhang di pa pwede i-start dahil baka meron pa. Which one? Ooh, what's that? Sure, what's your request? Japanese? Syempre, malakas mag-ano yan. Badminton yan, tama ba? Pero joke lang yun. Chill lang tayo. Ay, wag na tayo magsalita ng masama ng ganon naman. Para ano? Para hindi na ma-mute. Ano yan, Cole? Ito yung stars na ginagawa ko. Tignan nyo. Tuturuan ko pala kayo kung paano gumawa ng stars. Hello! Yes, guys, tap hearts. Tap hearts, tap hearts. Our goal is 100,000 hearts tonight. Madami pa. Meron pa ako nito. Meron pa ako nito. And this one as well. Hindi ko pa napupuno yung jar. Wala lang. Trip ko lang. Double star. I can try. Should I teach you guys how to do this? Ano daw? Seeing some clips of Q Elsa Sockmed about your badminton. Mukhang kayo ni Faye mabenta sa badminton crew. Oh, magaling maglaro si Faye eh. Okay, first, get a strip of paper. This long. Wait lang, ang gulo ng buhok ko. Ate. Ganyan. And then, you loop it. Sawadee-ka. You loop it like this. And then you put it inside like this. And then, clip. And may maliit na buntot. And then you pull this end until hindi na siya maluwag, like masikip na siya, until it's very, very, what is it in English? What is it in English? Flat? Yeah, like that. Loop it. And then, once you have this shape, you fold it here, and then from there you're gonna see a pattern of the star. So what I usually do is I just follow with that, and here and here. Here until the paper is finished. And then once you reach the end, you're gonna see like there's a pocket there, and then you fold. If it's too long like this one, I fold the excess and then insert it over the two pockets, inside the two pockets. Yeah. There. And then, have you bought that as strips na? Yes. Pero pwede rin siyang manual. And then you hold it like this, diba? This is the end product, technically. You can end like this and then just puff it up next time, but usually do it already. Then you press the middle part so that it's gonna become puffy on each side. And there's your star. Excuse me. I think so far the one that's filled is my pink my pink one. These are, ano to eh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. But it's not done yet. So I think, I don't know how many stars you need to fill up this. I think this is 50 ml. And I'm already starting the next one because I want to finish the glitters first. Nakailan kang ganyan sa isang araw? I don't know. I don't count it. It depends. It depends. Okay. Did you count how many stars from the start of your life? No, I didn't do that. I should do that. Terima kasih. Rough estimate, because they said this entire set is 550 strips. So I'm assuming that's like, I don't know, like 20 per strip. 20 per color, I mean. I don't know. Thank you, Henner, for the heart me. Here on TikTok Shop. I only bought it here on TikTok Shop. 2 colors per bottle? No, it's 4 colors per bottle. This one is 6 colors. 4 to 6 colors. Yes. And then recently pala, I had my exams. And then they asked me to turn on my camera. But you should have a camera in front and behind you. Wala lang, it's just weird. A little bit weird for me. The exam was easy naman. All about like your own opinion on things related to psychology. So I'm like, yun lang. More on collection or display, maybe gift. Maybe I could gift it to you guys or something. Or display as well. Maybe I'll keep one to display, for display. Gift to you or maybe members. I don't know, let's see. This jar I had help with Ate Andy. And then the blue jar I had help from Chloe. And the rest of my friends too. Tinuruan ko sila when they visit here. There's an issue regarding cheating, that's why. Thank you, Henry, for the roses. Do you want collab tonight, Coley? I feel like I'd chill live lang tonight, maybe. Parang reduce stress, like a fidget or stickers. Yes. This is very therapeutic. Like, I could go hours just doing this. Thank you, Henry, for the roses. Thank you. And there's a camera at the back too. It's just cute. It's just funny that they take precautions. But the professor was so nice. Like she asked, are you working student? Ganyan. And then after nun, she emailed me saying like, wish I can meet you ganyan soon. Good luck. And I was just, wala lang. Nakagaan lang ng loob, even if we don't see each other in real life. There are still kind people. Wala, hindi pa ako naka-order nga ng food. Thank you, Henry, for the Go Popular. Thank you. Let me see. Sinabi mo or nilit mo dapat future dates nyo. Dalaw daw siya. Who? Wala pa akong sinasabing future dates. Fortune cookie ba? Hmm? What you mean? Ha? Hindi ko naintindihan. Sorry. Ano yung kwento kanina? On-site. On-site is better. It's up to you naman eh. Pero ang mahalaga, nag-aral ka talaga for the exam. Kapon ka, Pigeon. Pigeon. Kapon maka. Wala. That's on them. But sometimes kasi, how do you say? It depends on the perspective on the students as well. It's on their conscience natin. Anyway. I made mistake. Can you guys count how many I've done? Really like paper stars? No, I just want to finish it. I'm just resting for a while. Let's see what else we can do tonight. 4 pa lang. I didn't even have to try Papa Gishish. It just went straight. Yeah, chill live lang. Okay, we can do that. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Thank you, Papa Gishish. Since when you make that paper star, I think it was just weeks ago. Yeah, maybe weeks ago lang. Diba? Madali lang siyang saluhin. 2026 thing na yan, diba? Yeah. Walang thrill ba yan si TikTok? Just weeks ago, you already make a lot. Yeah, my friends helped me. Ate Andy. Yes, they helped me with it. Uh-oh. Sana all sinasalo. Ay, wag ka mag-alala. Nandito ka, nasasaluhin naman kita. Lahat yan sila sinalo ko. Tama ba? Hirap ng Chinese pronunciation and writing. Grammar, madali lang. My gosh, yes. Chinese pronunciation is so hard. Same sila ng Thai. Same sila na Thai. Na magkamali ka lang ng tone, you're already saying a different word. Lahat sila sinalo. Walang ano. Pero hindi naman tayo mamimilit dito. Kasi sobrang, ano din eh, it's a dedication. Kasi selosa ako. Kaya, if you can't commit, it's okay. Even Hangul is like that. Really? But I think grammar-wise, as well, Thai is pretty difficult. Unlike Indonesia, Bahasa Indonesia, that what it translates to in English is literally the sentence like, ako sudah makan, I already eat, blah blah blah, like that. Want to learn Indo, Thai, Japanese, and Chinese. 30 minutes na ba? Wow. Just making stars. Nakabalik na ba sa tayo ng mga crew members mo sa Quadlips? Yes, they went home to their respective countries. You play Valorant again, let's play together? Sure. Yep, it's just me here. Should I order food pa ba? I don't know if I'm still hungry or not. Thank you, Tepen, for the heart me. I'm gonna nagawa. You know nga eh, sino-sino na nag-celeb ng birthday, member sa PH na both. Thank you, Tepen, for the roses. Thank you. Ay! Na-spoil ko tuloy! Ba yan? I think, thank you, Tepen, for the roses. Thank you. I play with the viewer who's the top 1 or subscribed top 1 gifter. Laki na rin eh. Hello. Oh, you're from Malaysia? I thought you were from Indonesia. Hello, Chloe. Si Mashiro ba dito din? Hindi, meron silang celebration, I think. Celebratory event for Mashiro. And, di ba? Nakapost. Nakapost yun sa stories niya. Last time. Thank you, Tepen. So, ang inabot lang here is si Fenisang. And yun yung ganap ko the other day. Nag-celebrate kami. Nag-tea, afternoon tea kami. Fame din, di ba? May event ata siya tomorrow. I'm not sure. Or kanina. Ano ang magtay si Fame sa birthday niya? Nauna, hindi, I don't know. Did Fanny experience how we celebrate birthday here in the Philippines? No. I'm not allowed to say. Basta, it's a fun, we did something fun for her birthday though. Very therapeutic. Abangan nyo na lang yung content, okay? Si Fame po, she's not here. So I might go home too, but I'm not allowed to say when. I might go home sa Lagunation. Lagunation? I might go home sa Lagunation after... Tara, ML! Parang gusto ko mag-ML Pampaantok. Lagunation. Hello. Ayun, ML. Nakikita ko ngayon ibang nagsistream eh. My mom actually, Filipino really? I can speak little Tagalog bit only. It's okay. We'll teach you some Tagalog words. There's a lot of similar words already, you know. Like payong. But Malayo is a little bit different from Bahasa Indonesia, right? Crab or tempura ka? Grabe, alam nyo na talaga kung ano yung lagi kong dinidinner. Tara, Zamboanga. Do you get the reference? Hello, terima kasih. You get the reference of Zamboanga? Aliw na aliw kasi talaga ako sa sa Zamboanga girl. Like, I could scroll through her profile and not... Really? Yung ano yun? Yung reference niya palagi, Zamboanga. Like, even if... I'm gonna show you. Oh no, it's not loading. Hold on. Ano yun? Zamboanga. Comment. Excuse me.
It's been raining in Zamboanga, hindi ka pa nilalamig. You really need a Zamboanga niya. It's been raining in Zamboanga, hindi ka pa nilalamig.
Single or taken? Married. Married kay Kim Min-gyu. Ay, sorry, I spilled. But we're not, we're not allowed to be together in public. Yeah, we have four. Yeah, we have 4 kids. 4? We have 4 kids. Ay. Five ba? Kawi, Alexa, Aiden, Mav. 4 lang. 4 lang. Hindi, joke lang po. Ano po? sorry. My bad. Joke lang po. I have, I have 4 siblings na, na I took care of growing up. So, I keep saying that I have 4 kids. And Kim Min-gyu is... Come on. Kim Min-gyu is from a boy group. 17. Nangangarap na nga lang. Siyempre, todo ko na, di ba? Si Gwenny pala ito eh. Nabilang nyo ba? Thank you, Hannah, for the paper crane. Thank you. It's pink. 5 or 6 if you include the pets. Yeah, Snowy and Kaylon. Have you met Kaylon? I think you guys haven't seen Kaylon. He's the one who's usually barking during my live streams in Lagunation. Talaga? You haven't seen Snowy? Oh, next time. But Chubby, and then we had Chubby, which we had Chubby. Kasi they're kind of like outdoors. And I don't go out too much. Favorite flower and color. Favorite flower. Ano ba yung kinuha kong flower? Ay, bumili ako ng flowers for myself pala. Do you wanna see? It's already dead though. I think they're called... they look like they look like roses, but not roses. But they're not roses. Mas introvert pa minsan si Cole sa pets niya. Hindi ko kasi pets yun. I mean... Alam niyo naman na hindi ako mahilig sa pets. Yes. I like roses, but not yung mukhang roses, pero hindi siya roses. I don't know what it's called. Binili ko siya. Ito, let me show you. Should I order food na legit? Sakit ng katawan ko. Here, oh. Oh no, it's dead! I don't wanna show it anymore. Cha-chang. Tapos, roses siya. Hindi siya roses, but they look like roses. I like pink and purple flowers. It's been raining, Zamboanga, hindi ka ba nilalamig? I don't know what it's called. It starts with the letter M. M ba? Try petting them. It relieves stress. Ano kasi, who is it? The other one is a German Shepherd, maybe, I think, not sure. And I didn't get to meet him. Hello. I didn't get to meet him that much. Because I was in Thailand. LSS siya. Yes. Maharan, maaari mong pagbigyan. Maharani? Is that... May, is it? I don't remember. Is it? I don't know. Hello. Should I just keep making it like this na lang para ano daw? But if lumapit siya na nagwag na division. Oh. Pero kasi scary si Kaylon, laki niya. May trauma nga ako sa big dogs, diba? Alam niyo ba yun? Nakwento ko ba yun? Ano nga sa'yo, Henner? Valo, ayun. Nag-aya ng Valo. Hindi tayo magvavalo tonight, guys. Ano lang. Sleepy lang ni Coley. Daw baka mag-ML. I don't know, let's see. Sakit ng katawan ko eh. Hindi naman gumagamit ng katawan pag nag-ML. Let's see. Because pag nag-ML, I'll need to relive and then I'll go live dun sa PC. Ilan na nagawa kong stars? Is someone keeping count? Pwede. Nang ikaw pala yung Kowi. Yes. Ako ba yun? I think, hindi. Kasi pinapahiram ko rin yung account ko sa iba ko pang friends na nagbabalo. But I think, yeah, that's me too. I'm not sure. Hindi ko na maalala. Ang dami na naming games with Jaime. Maybe that was me. Pwede mo pa custom game ka na lang. Pwede naman. But I play with subscribers and top gifters. Kahit ako pa yung nag-spectate, ay, nako talaga. Hindi ko na bilang. Naantok na ako. Ah. 30 plus kills? Hindi. Diyos. Depende sa Depende sa kung gaano ka, ka-focused sa game. Sometimes I get a lot of kills and then sometimes I don't. Or I get none. Grabe naman, hindi guys. Ano lang yung nangyayari lang. Chamba lang yun, chamba. Hindi pa ako nakaka-order eh. Hindi ko na siya mapasok. I think I'm sleepy na. Hello! 2021. Ako, gawin mo 2026 na rin. Buying the food on the Ritzy Pawik or Kakaji. Oh, thank you. Let's order food. Maaari mo pabigyan kung sakay ay sarado. Ayun. Hindi mo rin makamtan. It's closed. Why? Anthony. Rhapsody or tempura? Yeah, it's 10:30 na pala. Hindi ko napansin. Guys, toilet break. Hello. Collie will go to the toilet lang saglit. Be right back. Collie is back. Nag-pause ako saglit. Nani ko rin. Eh? Wait lang guys. Mute ako ah. Say hi.
Hi.
They're laughing this. Mina laughing.
Nani? What?
Oh, they said hi.
Eh.
Live stream
Hi.
this.
You live now?
Hi.
Okay. I'm sorry. This is
괜찮아.
members.
Hi. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Fighting this. No.
ありがとう。
はい。頑張ってください。
ありがとう。バイバイ。
はーい。バイバイ。
Wait nga. I'm just gonna report something. Ate Dan. Boy. Hello. Na-place order mo na? Yes. Nag-order na to. Ang CP na, guys. Nood na lang tayo ng ano. Ano ba magandang series? Pwede ba yun dito? Manood ng series. Share screen. Ay, hindi. Hindi kita kapag yung N up yung gamit. Really? Thank you. Mirror mo pwede. Uy, pwede ba yun? Wait lang. May paparinig ako sa inyo.